Now we are going to discuss the last part of shelf management, which is benefits of an appealing presentation. In most of the cases, when you have the appealing presentation, then of course there are a lot of benefits to the retail stores. Of course, on the other side, there are benefits to the customer as well. So now I'm going to discuss with you both kind of benefits, the benefits to the customer and the benefits to the retail store one by one. So first of all, we have the benefits to the store of an appealing presentation. The first benefit to the retail store is encourage impulse buying. So normally what happens when a customer visits a store and there is an appealing presentation, the presentation is attractive enough, uniformity in the presentation is enough, then it encourages customer to buy impulsively, to buy more from the retail store. So of course it gives more revenue to the customer, to the retail store, and ultimately the revenue will give more profitability to the retail store. Second benefit to the store is turn a stopper into a shopper. Normally there are a lot of visitors who are visiting a retail store, but most of the cases, for example, they will come into the store, they will roam around, they will not shop, and then they might shop for a little and then they will leave the store. So how you can convert them into a proper shopper? That is one way that you have to have an appealing presentation. If you have an appealing presentation, of course that will encourage customer to stop and to buy, to shop more from the retail store. And of course that will bring more revenue to the business, to the retail store. Third benefit to a store is lead the customer to buy more than he or she has originally planned. So in most of the cases, for example, once a customer visits a store, he or she has a list of the items, list of the grocery products which he or she intends to buy before visiting the store or at the store. So normally a customer planned whatever he wants to buy. He have the list associated with him, and that from that list he normally buys the product. But if in most of the cases it is observed that a customer, because of the presentation, the customer encourages to buy more. Whatsoever he has planned, normally he can buy more once he see the appealing presentation, the attractive presentation, the uniformity in the presentation. It encourages him to buy more from whatsoever he has planned actually in the list of the products he has scheduled. So the fourth benefit of an appealing presentation to the retail store is compensate promotional offers with high margin articles. For example, the store have a set of articles. Some articles are on promotions, some articles are not on promotions. So normally the promotion articles are the one who generate traffic in the store, which means they create attraction for the customer, so that customer can visit the store on the basis of these attractive prices. On the other side, once the customer is in the store and you have appealing presentation of all the articles, even the articles which are margin driven, which are actually bringing margin to the customer, margin to the retail store, the customer will automatically buy these articles also. Actually, the customer came into the store to buy the promotional articles, and then he will also buy the margin articles also. So at the same time, the objective of the retail store will be met, because on one side the store will be generating traffic, and on the other side the store will be generating margins as well. So the last benefit, key benefit to the retail store is increase results. Of course, at the end of the day, once you have more increase in basket size or more invoice value, then ultimately the sales value of the retail store will increase, and ultimately it is a win-win. Win-win for whom? It is a win-win for the store and win-win for the customer also. Let me just discuss with you from the customer perspective as well the benefits of a presentation, of an excellent presentation to the customer. So first of all, the first benefit is create nice and welcoming atmosphere. So normally an appealing presentation gives a very nice and welcoming atmosphere, a welcoming attitude of the products to the customer. So what the customer will feel very good about the atmosphere, very good about the store, and ultimately that will encourage him to buy more. Second benefit to the customer is customer feels comfortable. So if the products are presented properly, if the products are presented in a uniform method, if the products are presented using some thematic world, then automatically it gives comfort to the customer. And of course, once the customer will be comfortable, customer will buy more at the end of the day. So easy buying decision. So if the things are organized, the presentation is appealing, it will encourage customer to make buying decisions quickly, easily and quickly. And of course, this will ultimately result into more buying as from whatsoever he has planned actually. Then the benefit to the customer is keep what you promised in your advertisement inside the store. So normally, if the retail store has some offer for the customer, so what they have to ensure that they should deliver that offer to the customer. Rather saying that this offer was limited, or this offer was for the X period of time and now this offer is not available. So you should keep promise, you should ensure that the promise are met already. So it is a benefit to the customer because the promise has been communicated to the customer in written form, so customer can claim easily from the retail store. And the last, which is the ultimate result from the customer perspective, a benefit of it is increase customer satisfaction, because the customer will feel more satisfied, rather more gratified, because at the end of the day he has been treated well. He is convinced enough that whatsoever he has bought, he has made the right decision, and then this combination of benefits to the store and customer will ultimately result a win-win situation, a win-win for the retail store and a win-win to the customer, because a store will get more results, more revenues, and the customer will get customer satisfaction.